Welcome to YouTube channel Sales and Marketing Tips. In this video, we are talking about leadership expectations and responsibilities. Below is a list of key qualities that are considered essential from leaders. Positive attitude, enthusiastic, goal-driven, set standards, consistent, responsible, mature, problem solver, dedicated, considerate, team-oriented, positive image, student mentality, supportive, organized, resilient. Positive attitude. As a leader, you have a responsibility to promote the business in a positive light, allowing people to see the success which has been achieved by others in the industry. To effectively develop and retain a team of sales agents, leaders should understand the impact and ongoing effect of a positive attitude. The leader should learn to raise any concerns with their team leader or the manager while passing on any positives to others in their team. Remember the saying, when you are up, go down, when you are down, go up. Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is contagious. By demonstrating an enthusiastic approach to your sales activities, you can indirectly affect the attitude and enthusiasm of those around you. This positive energy has also proven itself to have positive results on your own sales and leadership performance. Goal driven. Without goals, we have no real direction. It's like playing a game of football without any goal posts. The same applies to running and developing a team. Each person in the team needs to have an individual goals as well as a team goal for them to focus on and aim for. These goals can be set for the day, week, month, quarter, or year. Leaders take the time to set personal and team goals while making themselves available to assist team member in setting and achieving their own goals. Set standards. Leaders are expected to talk the talk and walk the walk. That is, they cannot be seen as the one who tells others what they should be doing without setting the pace themselves. It is expected that leaders will set standards in the range of areas including sales results, customer service, image, willingness to learn, organization, punctuality, etc. Consistency. A leader is expected to maintain their standards of performance for an extended ongoing period. This consistency indicates that their results are normal for them and not some extraordinary performance. Consistency of performance also indicates that the leader has established themselves in that particular area and they can be relied up to behave or perform in a particular and predictable way. Responsibility. By taking an extra responsibilities, the leader demonstrates their commitment to the role and their willingness to do whatever it takes to achieve the desired team goals. Maturity. The leaders who views themselves as running their own business will give more consideration to their business activities. Running any business requires a level of personal and business maturity. This business is no exception. Problem solver. People who announce problems do not usually develop into leaders. However, those people who seek to solve problems, often before they become an issue, demonstrate a desirable quality. Dedication. True leaders demonstrate a high level of dedication to their team members and to the cause. Only when we give 100% to a task or project are we likely to reap the rewards. What would happen if you only tried 50% when you were swimming or driving a car? How would your result vary if you gave 100% to what you were doing? As a leader, it is not too much to ask your team members to dedicate themselves to their sales activity, but the leader must demonstrate the behavior that they want others to follow. Considerate. As a leader, you need to be aware of the needs of individual team members. If when sensitive issues arise with a team member, be considerate of their situation and where possible, provide the support they need. Remember, they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Team oriented. People like to feel that they belong to something. It gives them a sense of importance and makes them feel special. It's a lot easier to retain a team if they feel a sense of loyalty from belonging to something bigger than themselves. Make people feel like they are a part of the team by getting everyone involved and getting to know each team member's personal goals and motivation. Positive image. First impressions count, so be sure that you present a positive and professional image with your team members. There are many areas where you can project a positive and professional image. Your training impacts how you greet and treat new and existing team members. Student mentality. The ambitious leader should always demonstrate a willingness to further develop their knowledge, skills, and attitude. The enemies of success in this business are complacency and arrogance. Be humble when successful and enthusiastic about each opportunity to develop further. Supportive. This business continues to be successful because there is a support structure for people at each level of development. The leader is integral to this support system, as many of the new sales contractors will rely on the leaders to assist them in overcoming challenges they face each day in and day out. Organized. Leaders should be prepared and organized each and every day. Training should be organized in advance, as should territory setups, collaterals, etc. Resilient. Each leader must learn to become resilient as they overcome the challenges that are involved with the coaching developing of a team. It is important for the leader to minimize personal emotions when working with their team members, focusing more on the things that they can control rather than those things they cannot control. If you are any query about this topic, please mention in comment section. We will get back to you. If you are watching this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you everyone.